Please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
Rajat, good morning. As Sudarshan said, we have been oscillating in a well-defined range of 10,700 to 10,850. How would you trade it in the near term, and do you sense a breakout either on the upside or a breakdown?
See, first of all, I quite concur with Sudarshan that the Nifty needs to take out 10,850, 10,860 decisively, and for me that decisive breakout would actually mean that you even conquer 10,887. You, of course, for intraday traders above 10,850 or 10,860, wherever they feel comfortable and sense the intraday momentum, they can trade long. But for positional traders, I would suggest that at least 10,887, that is the earlier high, around say early June, there was a high of that level. Once that is taken out, you can take a positional trade with a stop below 10,835, the last close. On the other hand, if 10,820 were to be broken, then there could be a fall below 10,800, and once 10,780 is taken out, then it could even fall further. So here there is a possibility that buy weakness, sell strength could be a better strategy to take out. And on the other hand, Bank Nifty appears to be quite strong, and above 26,766, I think there could be a long trade, and that could actually take it to say another 200 points on the upside to something like 26,950 to about 26,990 kind of levels. So Bank Nifty you can go long, but not so much in the Nifty as such.
Okay. Sudarshan, let's get to the stock calls of the day. I see despite your overall sort of cautious sentiment, there's still some buys that you're going with.
That's because the idea is that the Nifty continues to be in a trading range. So there will be strong stocks to buy and weak stocks to sell. We start with Cipla. Cipla is on the verge of a significant breakout. I have been very upbeat on pharma and suggesting that pharma is now bottoming out and starting its new bull market. So Cipla is a buying opportunity for the day. So is Kotak Bank. Kotak Bank is outperforming among the private sector banks, even though HDFC Bank went up on Friday. But the outperformance comes in Kotak. I think that it should have a good day today. And the third is Godrej Consumer. Again, an outperformer in the FMCG pack. We want to focus on sectors that are outperforming. In choppy markets, the stronger will become even better. So 3 buying ideas, 2 short sells, Engineers India and Cummins, both have charts that seem that they are breaking support levels consistently. Both are in bear markets in a relatively benign environment. Both are intraday shorts.
Okay, and Rajat, your individual trading ideas for today?
I have 3 buy calls and 1 sell call. First, to start with, Century Textiles. It's actually after having retested the bottom at lower levels, there was a minor bounce back, and I'm actually playing with that bounce back. The bottom was around say 890, and this today I'm actually putting a stop loss of 903.75, 909 it closed at. 915 and 925 are the 2 targets for Century Textiles. Second counter would be Asian Paints. Asian Paints, this is actually recovering from a low. After a fair bit of correction, this kind of a piercing line has been formed, and 1255 is my stop loss, and my targets would be 1279 and 1290. And finally, a mid-cap counter, that is Edelweiss. I would put a stop loss below 305. The chart looks good. Friday's performance had been pretty good. 317 and 320 are the 2 targets, closed at 310. And SRF is a downtrending stock. It made 52-week low, if I'm not mistaken, on the last trading session. And if not, then the low that was there at 1640 could well be tested today. That's my target, and I would put a stop loss at 1695. So 3 buys and 1 sell call from my side.
Okay, 3 buys and 1 sell. Prakash, what's on your list?
I have 4 buys. I'll go with Century Textile. Looks good to me. It's more of a bottoms-up approach here. Possible target on Century Textile on the upside is 935. Stop below 903 should be fine. I like CG Power again. Again, here bottoms-up approach, seen a good fall here. In the lower levels, signs that we saw was encouraging. Technical targets on the upside is in the vicinity of 59 zones, 60 zones. Stop below 54. India Bull Housing was looking good to me, good momentum pull here. Possible target on India Bull Housing is around 1235, stop below 1190. And finally, Manappuram Finance looks good. Look again, a base formation out here. Possible target on the upside in the vicinity of 106, stop below 102.